all these years? Where are you all this month?
I was working for.
No, that all story I know. Now where are you all this month? I didn't call you. Then how many times I called you? How many times we came? How many times you told me story? Sir, देखो ओके. ये हो रहा है. इसको काम कर रहा है. That leg is the trouble, huh? Remember the left, I think so the bone has to come out.
I think it was there.
Where it was there? You moving from here. You moving from here. You move the leg. Don't touch it. Moving from here. When you're touching it, see where it's paining. Then you will have the problem. वो उसके अंदर क्या है? सोना है? सोना है अंदर? एक मिनट एक. चलो. वहाँ पे आने दो. हाँ. आते हैं ना. बस. एक दो. पीछे देख पत्थर है. लगभग इधर होगा इधर. ऐसा काहे ना भी काहे ना पाए आपका जान जाता आता. इधर मैंने करा रहा है. एक सेकंड. Masuk tur, ya kan? Maka top pas tuh. ना पढ़ला ना तो क्या ये रिएक्ट कर देगा काहे ना घर भी ना तो क्या रिएक्ट माका एक मिनट अरे गाड़ी में बैठ सर गाड़ी बता के भी 3 साल हो गया ये सामान है ये वो है उस पे गाड़ी कर हेलो सर मुझे माता डोमिनेटिंग हाँ 10 मिनिट पाणी का बॉटल ए पाणीची बॉटल भेटची किती ते बैठ गया कर दो हाँ एक बैठ गया इसको ये कर दो ओए बाबा पुलिस स्टेशन वर पहले पुलिस स्टेशन वर पुलिस से आता हूं नहीं जानता कौन didn't reach it I'll go to the police station I'll go there hey actually you give the bite no first bye I will give you he'll take it there no okay you'll take me to police live is there going on just live is going on so you can just tell us हाँ sure directly background sir come this way Ready, man? Ready? So basically, we are from Street Providence, an NGO working to pick up people from the street. Today there was a gentleman here who has been lying here for, I'm not, actually how long is here?
More than 2 months.
More than 2 months he lying here. He looks to have some problem on his left leg, so we'll take him to the home now and clean him up, and then we'll take him to doctor. He should have got off the street a long time back. I'm not sure who was supposed to pick him up. It should have been either the social welfare, or it should have been G Soda, because G Soda is supposed to get homeless people in urban areas off the street. So we were informed by Ashley, and that's how we reached here. We came with our team, with Douglas. There's Asim there, and Pilankar. So we'll see what best we can do. He'll have to go to hospital, and we'll have to find out. The other gentleman has been here last 3 years. He's a graduate, I think, or whatever he's telling, drinking and just wasting his time on the street. So we'll see what best we can do for him also.
So how many years are you doing this?
So we have been last 5 years now picking up people from the street. We are not government funded. We have ladies and gents. We have 8 homes. Men separate, ladies separate.
Don't just tell me how many homeless people right now you
We have a current capacity of 200 people to look after at any point of time. We were having 100 capacity. We have increased one home at Cape, which has gone up to, it can take in another 80 people. But the problem is the system is not fixed as yet. See, there are many issues. These issues are not being addressed. So it's not easy just taking people, because you require funding, you require multiple issues. You require government support, you require logistics, you require grants, you require medical. So basically what happened, the police and the medical now have fallen in place. We have support from the police, and we have free medical in the hospital. Now the issue is the social welfare and the women and child. So that needs to be sorted out.
Just tell me after means you are taking him in the hospital, or you will take.
So first we'll take, the hospital will not admit him like
Okay.
this. So we'll take him to our home, we'll clean them up, give them a shower, check exactly what the issue, and then we'll see what best the hospital suggests. I mean, he may be having a bone which has come out, or we're doing an old rod or some fracture, and he's weak, he's basically malnourished.
Okay, thank you.
So I'm basically Donald Fernandez. I'm from an NGO called Street Providence, and I'm the founder of this trust.